The box spring is old, really old, and it's starting to show its age. In a time where everything is getting smaller and stronger, the box spring is still huge and still heavy, which means it's tough to move around and sags over time. Luckily, there's a better solution. The Smart Base Mattress Foundation. It is made of steel, so it's strong, sturdy, durable, and able to support thousands of pounds of evenly distributed weight. And it's easy to use. It folds neatly in half, so it's no problem to move it through doorways, upstairs, and through other tight spaces. Assembly is easy and takes just a few minutes with no tools required. Now you can stop worrying about throwing your back out trying to move the bed. Learn more about the Smart Base Mattress Foundation today.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.